Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Neil Chakravorty and I am not a regular motor vlogger nor a motorcycle content creator. It's just that I am an enthusiast and trying to create motorcycle content in a music related channel. Today I am heading towards Wellington, Kolkata, the bike market of the city. After purchasing a new machine, we are always skeptical about the look of the motorcycle. Protecting the paint and enhancing the look is all we dream about all day. After researching a lot, I made my mind to protect the tank with a PPF coating and to add a fly screen as well to enhance the look. There are many videos on the internet where people apply ceramic coating and also protect the tank with PPF. This is one of the same kind only, but I would like to keep it documented. So this is the Wellington bike market. It's an early evening of autumn in Kolkata. From superbikes to scooters are all lined up and getting their TLC done. And I am one of them. So this is Mr. Sumit. Mr. Sumit runs this beautiful shop with Bablu Bhai. They generally work on motorcycle seats and small modifications. I got his number from a close friend of mine. Came to know that this guy can do the job of protecting my tank without scratching it, and obviously in a very reasonable rate. There are a lot of scammers in this particular bike market. We need to be very cautious while opting for any modifications from anywhere in this particular market. Everyone is willing to snatch your money and deliver the worst kind of work they can ever imagine in their entire life. I have opted for the 3-layer lamination protection for the tank. The 3-layer lamination protection offers a good scratch resistance as well as adds a shine to the motorcycle tank. As you guys can see, this guy has protected the fuel cap opening with this particular kind of plastic so that any water is not seeking into my fuel tank and ending up ruining my motorcycle engine. I was quite impressed by the quality and the pace of his work. The whole process took me around 45 minutes, where others generally take around 1 to 2 hours, and that too with a very awful quality. Now that the work is completed, we need to peel off the 3rd layer of this particular lamination. The 3rd layer is actually containing the scratches and everything of the whole procedure, and the middle layer is left on the tank. Just look at the kind of sheen which the tank is providing to me right now. Damn, I'm too much impressed. Generally in the local cheap shops, we find that people are covering the borders with this radium tape which ruins the look. But I requested Mr. Sumit to arrange a transparent lamination tape so that he can protect the borders and the outlines of this PPF. Now let's hear some words from Mr. Sumit's mouth.
सुमिता, so the work is done. आप बोलिए कि ये जो लैमिनेशन कर रहा है ये इसका स्पेसिफिकेशन क्या है? 3 लेयर 2 लेयर कौन सा वाला था ये?
इसमें देखिए ये 3 लेयर ही है। इसका 2 क्वालिटी आता है
जी।
एक सस्ता वाला, एक महंगा वाला
जी।
ये वाला करवाने से क्या आपका टैंक बचा हुआ रहेगा, सेफ रहेगा, 1.5 से 2 साल का
जी
प्रोटेक्शन रहेगा आपका जी।
आपका नाम और फोन नंबर हम डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में छोड़ देंगे।
हाँ।
तो ये टैंक का खर्चा कितना पड़ेगा आपसे करने के लिए?
ये टैंक का 1200 अच्छा क्वालिटी का,
अच्छा क्वालिटी वाला 1200 वाला
ये
पड़ेगा।
लुक्स वाइज देखिए कोई
जी
ओरिजिनल लुक सेम एज रिमेन
जी।
पर पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त क्योंकि वॉलेट में भी पैसा बाकी है.
I came to this shop and this was the thing which I just got from them. This is the exact replica of the windshield of Hunter with the original mounting parts as well. We'll mount this and then we'll see.
Dear Royal Enfield, please try to improve the engineering. For installing a windshield, why we need to pull off the indicators and the headlamp, man? This is like very hectic, and it gave me a mini heart attack as well when I saw this guy was actually disassembling my whole bike. But it ended up in a good note. As you guys can see, it was a good fit. The original RE windscreen is around 2300 rupees, which is damn costly for a piece of plastic. And this costed me only for around 850 rupees. and $100 for the labor. So it was a win-win case for me, though the finishing is not very good, but okay, I'll live with it. I can't end this video without a cinematic B-roll, so here it goes.